Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Truth and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria and the rest of the world. But now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Almost surprisingly, Emile Smith Rowe don't called up to England setup because Gareth Southgate don't reason say he gets some 4 players when called before we say they no can't turn up, you get, and those players now Rashford, Luke Shaw, Mason Mount and James Ward-Prowse. So all these people, some of them they sick, some get injuries, some get concussion, different things that just happen to them. So Baba can reason say, okay, who are going to need to call to fill up this gap? So we can reason say, okay, Emile Smith Rowe self they inform for Arsenal because Baba now scored 3 in 3 for the last 3 games. He don't score, and now big games scored against Watford, Leicester, I think Aston Villa. So that's why they can call them. So all Arsenal fans, we are very happy. In case you don't know, now. See, they don't call Emile Smith Rowe, and this one in first England call up. Whether he go play, we never know. Whether he go there for Benjamin, but at least they don't call him up. He don't break that deadlock. At least main day with all those kind of Kane, all those senior men. Them, he just deal with them, sha. So a nice one. Even Wilshere self don't come outside, don't respond to this one. Them call Emile Smith Rowe. So Baba can talk say, it's about time, bro. Go and show them. I was saying tell Emile Smith Rowe. So we go show the England people because now only Arsenal fans now they enjoy in-game play. So now the whole England will see and hopefully if he play. I know say a lot of people don't they complain about this thing. Say Gareth Southgate they pick people based on form. They pick people based on past glory, their name, because even if they pick person on current form, Emile Smith Rowe is supposed to be ahead of Saka in the pecking order he gets, but he still pick Saka because he know what Saka will do based on past glory, things when they do before. So that's why they talk say if now current form, you see people like Gallagher where they play for Crystal Palace, see people like Guehi where they play for Crystal Palace also with Emile Smith Rowe. These people then they in top form. Even if not still by top form, you see Aaron Ramsdale is supposed to displace that Jordan Pickford based on current form. He's supposed to displace her. So everything now Gareth Southgate hand day. We just hope now for that match they don't play against I think San Marino also. So whether he go start our boys, we'll see. I'm a surprise. Barcelona don't make Lacazette their top priority for this January transfer window. Say it is Lacazette or nothing. Say that Lacazette they won't go for. And say not too long ago, they come out be the reason Aubameyang. But say Aubameyang, the way he come to play now, they don't they convince say no. Say Aubameyang no if he carry them go the promised land. So they don't come outside now say the person they go want now Lacazette because Lacazette itself will be cheaper option because this guy at the end of the season in contract will expire, and as things stand now by January he go dey eligible to sign pre-contract with any club he gets. So they no go too pay, but if they want collect am for this January, they fit pay us na highest maybe that kind of £5-7 million that kind of thing. But if they want wait till the end of the summer, it no go make sense for them because their striker wey they just collect from Man City wey be Aguero, he don't get cardiac arrest, get heart problem, because the guy they play on the whole in chest say, hey, my chest. So they come carry and go physios don't check am saying get whether na arrhythmia, I don't forget what they call am, but na chest issue. So the physios come to say make him no play ball for 3 months, and if you see where Barcelona dey for table, they be like 10th or so. They play nonsense this season, and as it be now, they feel no even qualify for Champions League. That they don't even sack their coach Ronald Koeman. They plan to draft in Xavi. So I never know. Blessing Xavi don't tell them say they help and get Lacazette because they don't get striker and only Memphis Depay then they use, and Depay itself I don't know, the guy does they play very well. The way they play from Lyon when they buy and come here and I know they play anything. So more they watch and January whether Arsenal will tell Lacazette okay Papa just chill, we'll give you extra 1 year or we'll give you extra 2 years. I mean they go prefer to sell them out, go get another younger striker. Everything that's in January, far more they watch. Even Gabriel Magalhaes self don't get in first Brazilian call-up to the national team, just like Emile Smith Rowe, because Gabriel Magalhaes they never call him before. The 23-year-old don't join Brazil setup for this World Cup qualifier, and I did very happy because the guy really put in the hard work. Hard work really pays because if you check him, the guy did very instrumental for that 10 games unbeaten run we don't do, and we don't keep like 5 clean sheets. Get the partnership between him and Ben White, he did very, very key for the back there. That is why the Brazilian national team can say, this guy really they play well for England, and they play week in, week out, and he's a towering giant, so it will make sense. Who can come put for this our defense setup? Well, we did very, very happy with that. And now his first Brazilian call up with this. So they're very happy for him with Emmy Smith for making us proud. Let them go and get it, bro. For media setting, they call they ask in limit like now, say, Baba, what's this up now? You know, say last season you be the cry, say they don't give you playing time for Arsenal. Even go for your status update and your Instagram story. They talk say, I just want to go out and play. And what you make it talk down at that time now because everything the reason Arsenal say they won't sign you. But Arsenal can't block the move. You can't para, can't throw tantrums for outside. So you see the reason to go Everton for January. So Baba can say no, go Everton, go do it for Everton. So all those ones are past tense now. So you don't go beyond that one. So 90 for Arsenal. Then they enjoy and stay here, and they look forward to playing in the future. You show that the future in this camp now. See all those Everton, Paro. So all those ones are past tense now. So they're very happy for where in the well. I like how the guy they talk like that because you say this guy only get game time under Mikel Arteta, and this one we say El Neni is possible to go for January, go join Galatasaray, and Partey itself they go AFCON. You know, space go there for that midfield. So the guy for that January go play well, like, in case Arsenal no get defensive cover, because they expect say Arsenal will go for all those kind, maybe Awa, maybe Coutinho, maybe Zakaria, maybe Bissouma. You know, all those people need to buy one person, put for the middle of that park. Well, everything is still January no far again. No, even in November we dey. What the watch ya? Almost Alex will be Man U legendary coach. Don't come outside they blast Arsenal fans. See all these Arsenal fans. They dey very shameful. Say in short, you just bless me break their head. See Arsene Wenger, the way they do Arsene Wenger that time, when they cost the man, say the man no sabi anything, say make come on for their club. Say that time this man they carry them go Champions League every year, they go Europe every year. Say see now, see what they doing now, they don't go Europe now, they call it cost the man that time. Say they should be ashamed of themselves. You know, Baba just they talk plenty. But what if Baba don't understand me say, see time they pass, player they pass. That's how Arsene Wenger get senior men them that time. You get Arsene Wenger self now part of the problem what we face today. You go build player, sell am, build, sell am. You know they complain to the board, nothing. You just they do suffering and smiling. You get the problems of Arsene Wenger. Now come manifest. Now that they try to correct all the stars who they create that time. Baba the seller. Now the problem with Arsene Wenger they get now the same thing they affect Barcelona now. Barcelona we're creating stars. They don't think about the future. They don't keep anything. Now they are suffering from it as the stars don't old come out now. Young players so they bring come no fit manifest to anything. So if they say Arsene Wenger they keep all those young players, they keep them. She be there for manifest now, but Baba don't keep anything. I just small, they keep. So make Sir Alex just forget all those things. I beg. Make them go bring what is they call am? Me Arsene Wenger come now. Make go handle this crop of players. Did they say any difference today? I beg. Baba said in time. Even when Wenger said don't come outside for one new documentary, they'll bless to get one book going right. Because they talk say input all in love for Arsenal. Say to say no. If I don't come out for Arsenal for no reason anything. So now say just well, just hear what Sir Alex talk. So no yawasha. No the watch as go turn out. Surprise, Juventus don't they ready to cut ties with Aaron Ramsey for January. So why this news is significant? We say, sure make you go for Ramsey for January because it will cost us nothing. It will be a free agent. Get since we Partey and El Neni they go, more just carry come play for that midfield. Even if now 1 month, then after them come back, if we want to put up a Benjamin, no yawa. So now we start to talk. I wanna take see this one and my people. Who could bring back Aaron Ramsey? I be more no bring him back. Jamie O'Hara will be one of our critical pundits. One of the people they put some sign for our guy. They don't come out when they apologize to Mikel Arteta. And why it be so? They say, you know, say when Mikel Arteta first signed all those Sambi Lokonga, Ben White, Ramsdale, Odegaard, bring all those. So Baba come out even Tomiyasu. Come out talk say Arsenal don't go sign B team. You get the why Arsenal go spend almost £150 million on a B team. You get call it talk nonsense. And to make matters worse, after we can lose our first 3 games, Baba can say, you see it, how can you go and buy B team? Yeah. Baba just they talk nonsense. Now, as things don't turn around, we Arsenal they 5th, you get just like 2 points behind fourth place or 4th place finish, all those Champions League spots. So Baba come and apologize, say in the beginning he talk nonsense about Arsenal beat him, say he won't officially congratulate Mikel Arteta for bringing the best out of these players in a very short time. And even after that 3 games where Arsenal lose, Mikel Arteta no talk say, hey wo, make I go back, go to play people who I know, I beg go play these new players, no go play well. So Mikel Arteta still stuck to his guns and kept on playing these players, and lo and behold, they delivered for him. So I just talk, now this kind of story at the top, when you don't whitewash somebody, when you don't underrate them, last you get the confidence, you get the boldness to come outside and talk, say I made a mistake, you get, I'm very very sorry, please forgive me, like the prodigal son. And we'll go forgive him, you get, make him no do him again, just go and sin no more. So that's what it just be. So my dear football lovers, welcome to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there, toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.